Video on Goldmoney. I wanted to do an update because I did this video about 8 years ago and I really liked Goldmoney then, but there have been a whole host of problems with Goldmoney since then. Um, and I just don't like the way that they're doing business. And I'll show you what I mean right here. So they've changed their account names so many times. They've discontinued an affiliate program, which I found annoying, and that's the only reason I opened up this personal account. But if you go here, you'll see like, let me just go back here. So if you go to goldmoney.com and you go to sign in, you're going to see looking for your personal or business account, formerly BitGold. Users should use their email address. My holding account has a numbered login. It's just a mess. And so see, existing personal and business users, please use your email address. I mean, it's just a mess. So I've logged in, and recently they started doing something that I really don't like, because you can see that, I mean, I haven't really been active with this in my account. This was the last time I got a referral bonus, and I got 81 cents. And then look at these fees that they've been taking out. So $10 US for the last, I don't know, 6 or 7 months. So it's really decimated my account because I didn't have a whole lot in this personal account anyhow. But still, you know, when you have gold, what you want to do is you want it to be a store of value. This is worse than inflation. And they've actually made, let me show you here. They've actually made some changes to their fee structure, which I think is pretty terrible. So here's their fee structure right here. And again, I mean, you know, it's just a mess. They're just really, in my opinion, taking advantage of people. But they have a minimum $10 US monthly storage fee that applies to accounts with any balance. So because of that, now I really advocate that you get physical gold, because this is just, I don't know, it's just not good. So if you have a personal account, what I'm actually going to do is, because they only allow you to do bank wires, so I'm probably going to be charged another, you know, exorbitant amount to withdraw. But I'm just going to show you in my personal account, I'm going to withdraw to my holding account all of my balance, right? So what this is going to do is prompt me to log into my other Goldmoney account, and I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to click transfer all of it. And then the other thing is they're asking for the source of funds, so they want to know, and I had to do this for this account, which I've had for years, but I had to tell them how much I made in what year and where the source of profits are from, which to me is just ridiculous. Because if, you know, 8 years ago or 10 years ago, I started with, you know, let's just say a couple $100, $300-400, where did that source come from? Was that from business profits? Was that from savings? Was that from something that I saved up from, you know, getting gifts at Christmas? Like, it really doesn't matter. So they're just kind of going way over the line in that as well. And they're asking for the source of funds. So I'm going to say, I'm going to just say whatever. Self-employment income. And then this is for me sending it to myself, which is ridiculous. Now you have to put it into the Toronto vault. That's what you do. So I'm going to request this transfer, and then once I get it into my holding account, I'm just going to get it all out of Goldmoney and leave Goldmoney. So you can see that it's being pending right now, but I'm just going to show you what's going on in the other account. Just because I'm so pissed off about this. So I'm signing into the other account now, and as you can see, I had a little bit of funds in this account, but you know, I'm just waiting for the rest of the funds to come in. But if we go to the transaction, okay, there's no recent transactions. But basically, what's going to happen is, I mean, look at their fees. You know, I'm just not happy with how they do things. So I'll put some links to some other things about it, but some other places where you can get gold. But I'm totally done with Goldmoney. I don't recommend them at all, and I just want to make this video to clarify that and make that clear, and to encourage other people to really look at the fees. I think they're just really taking advantage of their customers, and you know, it's just not a well-run company. They seem to be scrounging for money, to be honest. So that's my new opinion of Goldmoney.